Hey everyone, welcome back to Future Concept Cars, the channel where we dive deep into the latest and most exciting automotive innovations. Today, we've got something truly electrifying to discuss: the all-new Volvo ES60, an upcoming electric sedan that's set to redefine the luxury EV market. So buckle up and let's get into it. Imagine cruising down the highway in a sleek, Scandinavian designed sedan that not only turns heads but also pushes the boundaries of what an electric vehicle can be. That's exactly what Volvo is aiming for with the ES60, a car that's poised to replace the much-loved S60. First off, let's talk power. The ES60 is expected to pack a punch with two electric motors delivering a combined output of over 400 horsepower. That's more than enough to get your heart racing. And the best part? It's all powered by a 111 kWh that promises an impressive range of up to 600 kilometers on a single charge. That's right, this car isn't just about luxury, it's about taking you further without compromise. Step inside the ES60 and you're greeted with a cabin that's nothing short of a masterpiece. Volvo has taken inspiration from nature's golden ratio, blending natural materials like wool and illuminated wood into a minimalist design that screams sophistication. The centerpiece? A massive 15-inch touchscreen that not only controls all your vehicle's functions but also enhances your driving experience with intuitive ease. But here's where it gets even more exciting: this car isn't just about looks and power. The ES60 will feature advanced tech, including a LiDAR system mounted on the roof for autonomous driving. This isn't just a car, it's a glimpse into the future of mobility. Now, before we dive deeper, if you're loving this content, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss an update on the future of cars. And hey, drop a comment below what's your favorite feature of the ES60 so far. I'm really curious to hear what you think. The Volvo ES60 is set to go head-to-head with heavyweights like the BMW i4 and the Audi A4 e-tron. But with its combination of Scandinavian elegance, cutting-edge technology, and a commitment to sustainability, Volvo is positioning this sedan to stand out in a crowded field. The ES60 is more than just a successor to the S60, it's a statement. A statement that the future of driving doesn't have to compromise on luxury, performance, or sustainability. It's a bold move by Volvo, and we can't wait to see it hit the roads. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the Volvo ES60, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and share it with your fellow car enthusiasts. Until next time, keep dreaming about the future of cars, because here at Future Concept Cars, the future is what drives us.